Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Amazon Fire 7 Kids tablet. This isn't just a gadget. It's a comprehensive package designed for children aged 3 to 7. What sets it apart is that it's a full-featured tablet, not a simplified toy. It comes with a vibrant 7-inch display and 32 gigabytes of storage, all encased in a durable kid-proof case with a built-in stand. One of the most appealing aspects is the included 2-year worry-free guarantee. If the tablet breaks for any reason, Amazon will replace it for free. This provides peace of mind for parents concerned about accidental damage. The tablet comes with a 1-year subscription to Amazon Kids Plus, which is a treasure trove of ad-free content. Kids can explore thousands of books, games, videos, apps, and Alexa skills from popular brands like Disney, Nickelodeon, and PBS Kids. After the first year, the subscription auto-renews at a reasonable monthly rate, but you have the flexibility to cancel anytime through the Amazon Parent Dashboard. Speaking of the Parent Dashboard, it offers robust and easy-to-use parental controls. Parents can filter content based on their child's age, set educational goals and time limits, and even grant access to additional content from services like Netflix and Disney+. This level of control ensures that children have a safe and age-appropriate online experience. Also included is a kid's zipper sleeve. This sleeve is designed to fit all versions of the Fire Kids Edition 7-inch or 8 tablets, including those with the protective bumper. It features a zippered closure, handles for easy carrying, an interior name tag, and pockets for organization. There's even an exterior pocket for additional storage. The blue color adds a fun touch that kids will love.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.